I'm here at the FRESHH snack bar on Ladypool Road in Birmingham, where these friendly guys are new from my previous Ramadan street food video have now opened up their own place. Now they sell a variety of fresh juice drinks, tea and Murtabak, which is a Yemini style flatbread with different fillings inside. I've already tasted it before and now I'm here for some more. Now their prices are reasonable, whether it's fresh juices or food. So I've ordered different fruit juices, especially the one that I love is mixed berry and mango. The Murtabak is sliced up in four. It's just like having a paratha with different fillings inside, which tastes delicious. Inside this one there is chicken, egg, tomato, spring onions and seasonings. You just can't go wrong with this quick meal for that price. If you come across these guys, then grab yourself a bite. Take care guys, peace.
Chicken.